Pretty Geeks, and welcome to a very special miniature unboxing, the Target Beauty Green Edition. They have this one and one more currently available, and I thought that this one was so special because it was a focus on cleaning and cleansing one's skin, getting all of the gook off, but also more clean formulas that are plant-based. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here, some of which are full size. And of those 5, 4 of them are in fact vegan. So I thought we would jump right in. This little bitty box here was $7, so really freaking good. And it did come with a coupon, so if you get it, this one was $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more, so pretty dang darn good. It has a little bit of blurb info about the products, which I will let you know about as we get to them. So this is the one item that was not listed as vegan. I looked it up over and over again. I don't find any actual animal ingredients, but I could be wrong. There could be something, but it has no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and of course no animal testing. None of these products are tested on animals, which is awesome. So this one is a skin rescue cream cleanser, and it's hemp seed oil and witch hazel with some vitamin E. And yeah, certified B Corporation, cruelty free, family founded and operated, ethically traded, and sustainably produced. And I didn't smell anything, and I'm super excited too. I want to. And to mention, this does not contain CBD nor THC. It's not one of those things, but it is a hemp oil. And if you haven't used hemp oil on your skin, it feels amazing. So let's see, it smells like nothing. Not really much of anything at all. So I'm going to rub it in as if it's a lotion because it's a cream cleanser. We can kind of see. Super silky. Yeah, and there is really no scent to it. I'm gonna dribble some water on it so I'm not sitting here with cleanser in my hand. That's cold. Yeah, so I was one of those people that was super into that. I don't remember, was it just called hemp? It was, wasn't it? That hemp line. That was all hemp oil based. It's one of those that I really like it for my skin. It doesn't cause me any irritation or issues, so I'm excited for this. Little cream cleanser, like a little cream cleanser moment. Kind of back it up. Does it have anything we need to know? Cannabis sativa, aka hemp seed oil, is a natural skin loving ingredient. Heck yes, it is. This one I was super intrigued about. It's not a very full sample. It actually only starts about here, so really tiny amount. But it is a resurfacing overnight glycolic treatment, which I'm really excited about. So we got 10 milliliters or 0.3 fluid ounces, and it's got moonstone, true unicorn root, glycogen, and lactic acid to resurface, refine, and hydrate for all skin types. 100% vegan and 0% pretentious. So yeah, I'm intrigued. It's one of those things you put it on before you go to bed at night and wash your face. So directions: before bed, apply to face and allow to sink in and set, and then go to bed. Or tell yourself that you're going to bed when you scroll your phone until the wee hours of the morning. Use every other day to start as your skin adjusts. Tingling sensation may occur when using it first. So that's kind of neat. It, again, is all plant-based. This is a vegan product, and I'm excited to see what it does to my face. I like to do stripping more often on it, so let's see if it has anything to tell us. Nope. Sorry. No little blurbs for that one. Okay, this one I was super intrigued about because I thought, I was like, okay, this is a pretty small little box. I thought it is a scalp soothing tea tree and mint shampoo bar. And this replaces an entire traditional 12.6 ounce shampoo bottle. So it says 96. What does it say that all over it? I don't know. But it's essential oils, no faux fragrances, completely vegan. You just wet hair and scalp. Swipe it on your hair and between your hands to make a lather, massage, and rinse. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I am so excited to know how it smells. I used to use bar shampoo quite a lot. I stopped when my hair was very, very long. If you haven't seen any of my older videos, it was obnoxiously long and down to my waist. And one day I just shaved it off. Ooh. It is very natural, but very fresh at the same time. Very citrusy. I like that. So I am super excited to use that one. And all right. Do you have any scoopies? Cool. And next up is the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm. It is a no rinse conditioner. So rather than using a conditioner that you rinse off when you're in the shower, you towel dry your hair, booshy booshy in. It's a leave-in conditioner, but it's supposed to replace. Very fresh and pretty smelling. It's supposed to replace your traditional conditioner. So I'm really excited to try these two in tandem. But since I don't have a lot of, well, I have a lot of hair, but I don't have an actual lot of hair because I have a full side shave. I have an undercut. It goes all the way around, but I have a lot of hair. It's just massively thick. So I'm excited to try these and this. And let's see, how to spread a quarter-size amount on hands, then work through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots, dry and style the strands as you wish. I dig it. And last and certainly not least is Pacifica. This is not, I believe, a full size, but you do get 10 pre-moistened towelettes. They are makeup removing, but they also include glycolic acid, coconut water, calendula, and aloe. So makes you very glowy. It will take off the dead layer as well as you clean off your makeup. So 10 makeup removing wipes, a 2-ounce bottle of leave-in conditioner, a 100-gram bar of solid soap, a 4-ounce tube of facial cleanser, and a little bitty 10 milliliter overnight resurfacer. $7 plus a coupon. I'm really into it. I'm going to try everything actually out and then, of course, put up the reviews as I get through them. I don't usually put them on YouTube because no one cares that much. But I will put them on their actual sites, like on Target as well as Influencer. I like to put my reviews on there just in case, you know, mush them together. So I think that's all I've got for y'all. I love y'all so much.